A Federal Capital Territory High Court sitting in Gudu in Abuja has remanded a former lawyer, Emeka Ugwuonye, in Kuje prison pending the hearing of his bail application and charges bordering on alleged fraud and extortion. Justice Modupe Osho Adebiyi ordered his remand after he pleaded not guilty on 10-count charge filed against him by the Nigerian police. Our judiciary correspondent Basilo Kafo has details in this report.
The accused, Emeka Ugwuonye, who was debarred by the Supreme Court in April, is said to have published some injurious and abusive contents against the Nigerian police force on his Facebook page titled Due Process Advocate. Ugwuonye was brought to the court alongside other defendants, but when the charges against him were read, he pleaded not guilty. After taking of plea, the prosecution moved for adjournment to enable it call witnesses to prove the allegation. Defense counsel made attempt to argue a bail application, but the motion was not served on the prosecution, prompting the judge to adjourn till January 10, 2019 for hearing of the application. In the charge sheet, the police is alleging that Ugwuonye, among other offenses, intentionally extorted monies and other valuables from friends and associates of late Mrs. Charity Debarred, Ayodegbon, and other members of the public, an offense punishable under Section 295 of the Penal Code Law.
We have two separate charge sheets that Emeka is involved, and one has been taken, the one against only him, and he has taken his plea, and the court on that court has ordered he be remanded in the prison custody.
Ugwuonye is also said to be involved in another charge bordering on alleged culpable homicide.
Let me correct an impression. My client is here for justice. The wife was murdered in a very terrible circumstance, 2016, and eventually we were able to apprehend the culprits and are in court today to face the trial.
The defendants did not take plea on the charges for the alleged murder due to the absence of one of the accused persons, but the judge has adjourned till January 10, 2019 for the defendants to take their plea on the charge. Basil Okafo, Core TV News, Abuja.